Hi, and welcome back to MRTV. Welcome here from my camping vacation in France. In this video, I'm going to tell you about two problems that the Pico Neo 3 Link still has before it's going to go on sale here in Europe. And I did tell you about those problems in my prior longer videos, but I really want to make one dedicated video about this so that you are aware of these problems. Probably you are not aware of these problems because my prior videos were too long. So in my opinion, these two problems are so important and so important to understand that they are still here right now, that I want to make this dedicated video so that you simply have all the information and can make a more educated pre-purchasing decision. That's how we roll here at MRTV. So what are those two problems that the Neo 3 Link still has? So it's a very nice headset. I really enjoy it. And in my opinion, the biggest differentiating factor of the Neo 3 Link is, well, the DisplayPort connection. And it even has it in its name, right? Neo 3 Link. It's all about this link cable, this DisplayPort cable. And this DisplayPort cable, it is so cool because you'll get a better video quality when using it wired to your PC, to your gaming PC. So you get a full-fledged PC VR headset. There's no compression, and it simply looks so much better than the Quest 2 in link mode because, well, the video does not have to be compressed, sent through the USB, and then uncompressed. So it's much better. Also, there's less latency. It's great. It's really great. It could be a great experience, but there are still two problems that Pico needs to fix. Problem number one, right now it only has 72 Hertz and it should totally have 90 Hertz. And I believe that this is a problem that Pico can easily fix since, well, in wireless mode, when you stream your PC VR content to the headset wirelessly, you absolutely get 90 Hertz, right? So sending it over the wire, it should be pretty simple to get 90 Hertz. And Pico did tell me that the update is imminent and that soon there will be 90 Hertz mode for DisplayPort mode as well. But the second problem is much more important, more grave. So what is that second problem? When you use the Pico Neo 3 Link in DisplayPort mode, the scaling is off. Everything is too small. Everything is smaller. For example, in Half-Life Alyx, you have cute tiny little hands. Yeah. So that might be funny in VR chat, but if you play Half-Life Alyx with small hands, if you play 11 table tennis with small rackets and everything is too small, it's not fun at all. Also, because the scaling is off, if you move around, you're gonna run into some kind of strange warping issues because the scaling is off. So that is a huge problem. And when me and my teammate Marco tried it for the first time at the MRTV headquarters, it was directly obvious to us, right? And then we thought, okay, probably it's this computer, because there might be a problem with this computer having too many headsets on it. So we tried it on I tried it on a fresh computer, same problem. Then I gave the headset to Marco for him to try it out at his place, same problem. Then I asked a fellow reviewer of headsets who also has tried the headset before, and he also said yes, he also had scaling issues. So yeah, it's not a problem of our setup, it's a problem of this headset. So dear Pico, if you're watching this, you need to fix it before launch. You need to fix that issue. It's a huge issue. It's not just a small issue. It's a show-stopping issue, right? So the thing is, you can you can find a temporary solution. That's what I did. And what you can do is you can go to Steam VR. You can go into the per application settings and override the world scale and then increase the size of the VR world, right? So that works, but the problem is you don't know exactly what is the correct value. So I kept on trying and probably was correct. Like when I made the whole world like 20% bigger, yeah, 120%, but I was never sure is it really correct? And that is not a great thing to do. Also, you have to do this for every single game, which is not fun. And it shouldn't be like this. When you buy a new headset, it shouldn't be like this. It's a big problem, right? So there is this workaround, but the workaround is not good enough. I need to have this perfect. And the thing is, in wireless mode, scaling is perfect. No problems whatsoever. So Pico already knows how to do it in general, but this DP implementation, there is something wrong about it. They must find this little mistake. Probably it's only one line of code that's off, right? So Pico needs to find this before launch. At least now they know it, and I did tell Pico Europe about it already, but I'm not sure they take it seriously enough, honestly speaking. Hello, Pico Europe, you know who I'm talking about. So this is a serious issue, and I simply needed to make this video to make this even more serious for Pico, so that they know this is a show-stopping issue that you need to fix before launch, or this is going to be really bad for you. Really bad. So now what in my opinion is a bit interesting is this device had been on the market for business customers for quite a while, and also the DP port cable. And it seems like the business customers, probably because they only use one application, their own application, probably they simply didn't report that scaling issue because they simply did the override solution for their app, and then they were fine. So they did not probably give this strong feedback that I'm giving now to them, so that they would have it fixed now already, right? So that's what I assume. But now giving this to us, to enthusiast gamers who want to play lots of games and who are not ready to work with the wrong scaling and to set the right scaling for every game, it's so important that Pico fixes this issue. And well, they call this a beta program, right? So here's your beta feedback. Please solve it so that we can enjoy your great device. Yes, so that was really important to make this dedicated video about it, so that you are aware of this even before it comes out. And again, that is really the importance of the special thing about MRTV. We are completely independent. We're not here to sell you this device. What we do, we give you all the good information, all the good things and all the bad things about the devices, and then you can make your educated purchasing decision. So, right, this is not about selling you this device so that we earn the affiliate money. No, this is about informing you, giving you the best information, so that at any point in time, when you make a purchasing decision for any headset, then if you feel that your purchasing decision was made because of the information that we gave, then you might use the MRTV affiliate link. And that is how we're working. Hope you enjoy that and hope you appreciate this. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and do let us know in the comment section, what do you think of this issue? Do you think it's something that they can easily address and easily fix? I honestly believe so. I just think they really need to take this seriously, and I hope that with this video, dear Pico, you are taking this more seriously than you do right now. Okay, that's everything that I got here from France. If you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, absolutely do that now, and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode. Bye bye.